What's up guys, welcome back to our toy review. Today it's just me, it's not me and Georgie like an LF video. Now I'm going to be reviewing two newish toys. So I've had these toys for one night, so I got them yesterday. The reason why I didn't open them with you guys is because so I could get to know the toy and tell you what I think about them. So this is Little Live Pets, Little Turtles, and it doesn't come with water in it. It's Mummy and Baby Turtle. Yeah, we've got a towel today because of the water. I just added some water in there. And these are aqua beads. It dyes the water blue. And that's like really good because me and turtles, water's supposed to be blue. So there's this little turtle with a suction cup. The suction cup sticks to the big turtle, it's Mum. So I've got to stick them together. This turtle can swim, which I will show you in a second, but first, what I like about this toy is the fact that the suction cup, I like the suction cup, but the main part is I like the fact that the turtle moves, but the one downside about the turtle moving is it's so mechanical, it's just no way believable. And then, so I'm going to put him in the water and we're going to see if he'll swim. Because sometimes it doesn't. And this is an awful case. I'm going to move the towel towards you. I don't need to sit on the towel. So you can see. So whenever I move it, the water spills out of these holes. And there's no room for the turtle to move. See, look, it gets stuck. So, yeah. So, on the whole, it's a really good toy, but it's not the best. There's better things you can get. There's better toys you can get. It's one of the worst Little Live Pets. And my second thing, 1 minute. Yes, again, I hope you remember that I've already opened these, so don't expect them to be brand new. LOL surprise under wraps. Okay, so I'm just going to show you all the compartments. So this bit comes off, this little handle. When you actually buy the under wrap, the handle isn't in it. It comes with one of the surprises. So there's a little code that I have to fill in. And I think the code for this one is I've memorized all the codes, but I don't know which order they go in. Oh. There's nothing in that at the minute, but there was. So I love LOLs, and you will find a lot more on this channel. We don't do that many. We need to. Oh yes. Oh, there's nothing in this one either. That had the bottle in it. I'll show you the doll in a minute. So there's... I can't remember what this one is. Obviously, I've just done the same one over and over again. Yeah, there's nothing in this one either. So then I just like to mix these up so that it's challenging for me. Oh, and I memorised the one for this one. It is the peace sign and a love heart. Yep. Ready? So, it said it comes with 15 surprises, but I don't believe it, so let's count. So I can take its clothes off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, there's this. Oh no, I guess that'll count 15 because you're supposed to tear these apart. But I chose not to. So when you first get the doll, it is wrapped up in this rubber. And I've just bin the head bit, but I'm keeping this bit as a swimsuit. Because I let my LOL doll swim in the Little Live Pets thing. So it's just a normal doll. I will show you what her trait is in a minute. These are the codes. Don't tell you which ones you need though. So I'll show you what the bottle does. I'll just fill it up. Oh, it's a nice little coffee mug. This is a very watery video. I'm gonna just take it. So whilst I'm waiting for the rest of that water to strip in, I'll show you some of the surprises. It comes with a magnifying glass. Do the full vlog with the magnifying glass over it. So yeah, it comes with a little golf hat. It's so cute. I wish I had one. It comes with little cutie booties. A nice little school uniform. And then the swimsuit. Is it done? Do. You ready? Can you see that? That wasn't much. I'm gonna add some more. We're going to get her dressed in a minute. So, I'm going to put the swimsuit away because I don't want her wearing her swimsuit now. There's enough. Watch closely. She leaves herself. So cute. I knew before even testing it because when I was putting on the shoes, I could see that little hole. So now let's get her dressed in her school uniform. You're probably wondering what all that noise is because we live on a main street. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Don't worry, we'll be doing a lot more videos with LOL. At Christmas, all I've asked for is loads of LOL dolls, so I'll definitely do an opening vlog of those. I've asked for LOL Biggest Surprise, LOL Pearl Supply, LOL Pearl Surprise, and LOL Big Surprise, LOL Pearl Surprise, and LOL Biggest Surprise. And I'm also getting an iPhone, because the phone I've got at the minute is rubbish. So, putting the head on the wrong way. So LOL, the LOL Under Wraps is definitely a toy to get your child this Christmas. Mainly because I think that what I mainly love about it is that it's the codes. I mean, who doesn't love testing their brain? So what I love about it is how easy and compact it is. It's just like a little carry case. And another thing that I love about the LOL Surprise is it's just your LOL dolls, but in a smaller, easy to carry box. So I really think that you should buy your child this for this Christmas. This is definitely something I want to open this Christmas. So LOL is aimed at girls, but obviously girls and boys can play with it. So what we're going to do, we're going to end this video here, and on the whole, what I showed you today, both of those are ideal gifts, but try and get different little life pets. The best ones to get that I was looking at in the shops are probably the Ladybug Garden. I'm going to get that. Don't know when. And I will unbox it in front of you. I promise. So, this is actually a really good toy. Because I just love LOLs. And so this one was £15 from Tesco. But you can get them from about £14 at B&M. Remember, I live in the UK, so I don't know if it's the same in America. So we can get, yeah. Oh, and I'm just going to put it in the Halloween bucket.